Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix message notification not working in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option messages app. Now click on it and then here you can force stop your messages app. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your app, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then click on reset. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.